All right, hey everybody, this is John, and welcome to the free video. Let's take a quick look at the Qs, which continue to march higher, largely on the backs of the Apples and the Amazons and the Googles of the world. Where is this thing going to peter out? I don't know. The trend is your friend until it ends. We do have some cycles coming into play here, and remember, these monthly squeezes tend to last 8 to 10 bars. But also keep in mind that after about 4 or 5 bars, you at least start getting pullbacks to the 5 and 8 monthly EMAs, so we're certainly very extended from there. We do have some cycles coming up that could push this back, but there's no reason to fight City Hall as well. The main trade, or the main stock, of course, I've been focusing on, I just really like to play it, is Tesla. One thing I was kind of going through today, or I noticed, and I thought this was interesting, but I think on um, on May 1st, Elon basically sent out this tweet that said Tesla stock is too high in my opinion, but notice he sent it at exactly 8:11 in the morning. Well, guess what? The announcement for the 5-for-1 stock split was on August 11th. So very cryptic, Elon. Very cryptic. So anyway, interesting. Got to pay attention to his tweets. So this has been a incredible week with Tesla. I had a huge trade on it on Tuesday, and then today, almost like a yawner, it was another $1 million day where we threw on a, at the time, it was an at the money put credit spread, and then we picked up some long calls, and it's just insanity. I mean, the stock just keeps going up. Obviously, I'm not fighting it. We threw on some positions with the idea that maybe it'll pin at 2,000. I would like to hold this stock through the stock split, which basically I think takes place on August 28th. Had a lot of questions. What happens if you own options? Well, if you own 20, in this case, I've got these 20 calls, right, at 1,800. Well, you just multiply this by 5. Okay, so then you'd have 100 calls, and you divide this by 5, which I can't do in my head, but whatever price that is, you'd then have 100 calls at this price divided by 5. So that's how it works, and you just, everything's done automatically, and you don't have to worry about it. From there, of course, we do have monthly expiration for Tesla. I've noticed that, I mean, Tesla's Tesla, right? On Friday expiration, it tends to be choppy and then rallying to the close and gap up on Monday. So my plan is to hold on to positions over the weekend and see if we just keep rallying into the stock split. Obviously, I'm going to be taking chips off the table as it goes, and I'm certainly not going to fight it. All right, you guys have a fantastic evening, and we'll see you at the next update.